So a really important thing to understand is the meaning of life. What is the meaning of life? The meaning of life is simply to reproduce more life, and not necessarily of an individual of that species, but of the species as a whole. Life is trying to find a way to make sure its genes reproduce. There's a theory called the selfish gene that basically says that even within an individual genes are trying to make sure that they can survive. And this makes sense when you look at it because it's all these layers all the way down. Bacteria is trying to make sure it can reproduce, viruses, grass, fleas, dogs, humans. We're all just trying to make sure we can reproduce, but it's not us individually, it's our genes trying to make this happen. And even in some species that are eusocial, like a bee, where an individual will sacrifice its life and happily give its life because that's what it is want to do based off its genes for the survival of the colony or the hive.